number 2 from exercise 2.5. Okay, your question I am reading. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal to 21, right? So it seems a little bit different, okay, but not difficult. Okay, so what we have to do here, n means common digits, okay, means variable terms are there, and here is number. No need to transfer the value, just write simply by solve by taking LCM. Okay, LCM लेंगे हम क्योंकि n common digits are there, okay, common variables are there. So what? 2 4 6 LCM is 12, right? Now 12 divided by 2, you will get 6 into n, 6n, again minus sign is there. 12 into 4 you will get 3, and 3 into 3 you will get 3 3s are 9. Now plus sign is there like this, okay. Now again 12 divided by 6, you will get 2, and 5 2s are 10n, okay. No need to write directly. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं डायरेक्ट n minus 3n plus 5n करके solve करते हैं, but in LCM this is different. Okay, now solve this equation. How? 10 minus 9, what you will get? 10n minus 9n, you will get 1n, right? Like this, 10n minus 9n, you will get 1n, right? Okay, now 1 plus 1 and plus 6 is here. So plus 1 and plus 6, how much n? 7n. That means 7n. Now I am writing simply 7n upon equal to 12, right? So 12 is in the form of division. So it will convert on right hand side multiplication. So 21 multiplied 12 like this. Okay, now 7. Here 7 is in the form of multiplication, in the form of variable. So transfer the 7 on right hand side. It will become n is equal to 21 into 12 upon 7. Okay. Now cut the value. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. And 3 into 12. What left here? 3 into 12. So 3 into 12, what is the answer? Obviously 36. Okay, so 36 is the answer of this question.